We are changing the PCV valve of a 2013 Honda Accord EX 2.4 liter. I just was able to find this on Amazon. The part, I'll copy a link to the part number and link to Amazon in the bio of the video. So the PCV valve is just located right here. It's a size 10 socket. I just have a socket here with an extension on it, so I don't have to mess around with any of these other things. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that bolt off right here. You can see here with my extension, I'm able to reach that and not have to mess with anything else. So that's the easiest thing I found to do on this. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen that up. So I have the bolt loosened, taken out. I'm just going to use a screwdriver to pop that out. Should come right out here. Yep, sure enough. Came right out. Just get around everything in there. Yep. Here's my old valve. I've been having issues with this car burning a lot of oil. Read online and said I need to replace this in order to kind of mitigate that issue of burning oil. So we'll see if it works. So I've gotten the old one taken out. The new one just slides here in the same hole. It'll go until it's snug, snaps in. And you'll want to just put the bolt back in here and we'll tighten that bolt down. Like I said, it's a size 10 millimeter. I want to have an extension on it, so I'm going to just finger tighten it. Get my socket and tighten it down all the way here. So we're just tightening this down all the way. Just going to tighten it till it's snug. It's snug. It's in there. That's how you change the PCV valve of a 2013 Honda Accord.